Welcome back to Vision Miner 3D Printing News. Today we're talking about nTopology's new masking fixture module for their AI-based generative design software for full production in manufacturing. Very, very cool stuff. Let's get right into it. So nTopology and Stratasys, they partnered together and they made this thing called the FDM Assembly Fixture Generator, and it's built to automate the design of jigs and fixtures for the FDM process, allowing engineers to prepare tooling parts in a simple drag and drop manner. Now it does this through the use of nTopology's well-established topology optimization software engine, which operates on a goal-driven and generative premise to optimize part designs within the end-use application in mind. The goal is to remove bottlenecks in design and manufacturing by maximizing efficiencies through time and material savings. Their plan is to create an entire series of design for additive manufacturing, or DfAM, DfAM, workflows to enable users to make the most out of 3D printing on the shop floor. Now, this is, again, where we've always said the biggest growth is happening on the shop floor. The DfAM workflow can be used for many common applications, such as kitting trays, storage cases, and other simple fixtures to support manufacturing operations. Now, jigs and fixtures currently account for about 10% of all the end-use parts that are currently 3D printed. However, less than 1% of all fixtures used in factories globally are currently 3D printed, and that's going to skyrocket over the next few years. It is the biggest growing sector. Now, according to nTopology, automated DfAM tools that simplify the design of fixtures are needed to make these parts more accessible to shops across the globe. The FDM Fixture Generator automates 90% of the design work required for simple jigs and fixtures, while the new masking fixture module eliminates the need for manual masking techniques, regardless of the model complexity. According to nTopology, the new workflow program is capable of saving users hours of work in CAD design software for each job through automating the design of fixtures. So the module turns a complex part surface into customized protective plugs, masks, and enclosures in just a couple of clicks. Now, with the new module, you simply select a surface and the tool automatically generates an enclosure for any openings in that surface. 3D print the fixture, attach it to the part, and you protect its interiors from grease, media, or paint, or anything else in your process. Now, potential use cases for this functionality include protecting critical faces, gaskets, holes, or even mating surfaces of parts during a variety of post-processing operations. Now, there's also protective fixtures, which can be added with a click to safeguard against shipping, logistics, and downstream operations. Designing plugs for holes or slots is really not a super arduous task in traditional CAD software, but managing dozens of plugs does take time, and it's much easier to do in the FDM Fixture Generator. Now, the masking fixture module includes a great selection of built-in features that enable you to automate the whole design process. From the ability to add a taper on your plugs to customizing their clearance for slip fit, press fit, or interference fit, there's all kinds of things you can do. nTopology says that a prime use case would be an anti-rotation fixture, for example, which can elevate and position chain wheels for assembly. 3D printing the part would enable users to precisely create a large components for assembly regardless of their complex geometries. Now, a fractal infill pattern can also be used here to save both on material and the print time. You're basically printing it hollow using less material, less actual manufacturing time. So far, nTopology and Stratasys have received extremely positive early customer feedback for the masking fixture module, with users in the aerospace and defense sector seeing potential for the tool to reduce scrap rate and increase throughput. nTopology also revealed that a machine shop creating medical devices and aerospace parts is planning to use the tool to protect component faces during deburring and abrasive processes. As time goes on, we're seeing more and more of the software revolution for 3D printing, the AI-enabled, machine learning, highly complex generative software designed to simplify the entire process. And frankly, this is a huge step in the right direction for the largest sector of 3D printing, the manufacturing sector. Make sure you hit that like button. It helps us out a lot with YouTube gods, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Until then, have a positive rest of your day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.